Hi everyone, Matt here from Carwow. So I've got a very interesting Ford Raptor drag race for you. So I'm in the latest F150 Raptor. Next to me is the previous generation F150 Raptor. And next to that is Europe's own Ranger Raptor. Yay, little diesel engine. So anyway, this truck has a 3.5 litre twin turbocharged V6 petrol engine. Normally it has 450 horsepower, but this one's been tuned, so it now has 520 horsepower. Torque is about the same as before, around 700 Newton meters. That previous generation F150 Raptor, because it's the SVT, it has a 6.2 litre V8 naturally aspirated engine with 411 horsepower and 557 Newton meters of torque. The European Ranger Raptor, it has a 2 litre 4-cylinder diesel with 213 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. They're all-wheel drive. This Raptor and the European Ranger Raptor are 10-speed automatics. The old one there, that's a 6-speed auto. Let's do this, let's have a drag race. Now if any of you are interested in one of these F150s, they've actually been supplied by Clive Sutton, and this monster Raptor, it's got all kind of stuff on it like auxiliary lights, you've got special wheels on it, you've got some carbon trim about the place, lots of bits and pieces, as well as the upgrade and the fact that, look, the Americans will be going crazy, the steering wheel is on the correct side. Yes, the right is the correct side, because the British invented driving, we invented books, we invented everything. I don't think we invented driving, I think it was the French actually. But anyway, yeah, the link to Clive Sutton is in the description below. Go check them out. Oh, while I'm at it as well, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. After all that, let's get on with the bloody race, eh? Sorry. Yeah, easily off the line this. Now I'm destroying the others. This is quite quick. Easy race. Easy race. And voila. That is pretty quick, that is. Quicker than I thought it would be. Blew away the old V8. My goodness. And the Ranger Raptor. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Just there. Keeping at the rear.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the V6 turbo-powered monster Raptor did the standing quarter mile in a respectable 15.1 seconds. The old V8 SVT Raptor took 16.7 seconds. While the poor little European specification diesel Ranger Raptor took 18.7 seconds to complete the standing quarter mile. Oh dear.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Cars are in just normal drive. Trucks are in normal drive. I'm going to count it in. Right guys, you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this took ages to kick down, but now we're off. Oh, it's just, you can really see the difference. This has way more power. Absolutely motors. It's noticeably quicker than just the normal V8, noticeably. Okay, now we're gonna have a brake test from 70 miles an hour, see what happens. So this weighs 2.6 tons, the old F150 2.7 tons, and the Ranger Raptor 2.5. We're gonna brake at the line, full emergency stop, let's do it. Oh my gosh! What is going on with that thing? That is insane. The old F150, it's like it hasn't got any brakes. This surprised the heck out of me. It beat the Ranger Raptor. Even though it's heavier. Wow.